2011 Chevy Impala. I'm not sure about the model number on this. It says Impala. There's my car over there. This is not my car. We're going to change the hub assembly. So we're going to pull off this wheel and then we're going to put on a new hub.
That's right.
Still tight, ain't it?
Oh fuck, that one's a star bit, not a fucking Phillips.
Yeah. What's up? You got any star? You got the star bit with your mouse?
Yeah.
Dang.
Come on, Larry.
All right. So now you got to pull that plate off. How you gonna pull that out there? After you take that off, think it'll slide out? All right, we've gotten to here. We've got off the caliper. Caliper bracket, the rotor. We got the 1 1/4 or 1 1/2, whatever it is, nut off the middle. We got a pulley to pull off that piece, but now we're going to have to brace it and break out the impact on it so that way we can get it off there. It's not one to come off, so we'll have to do something to it. But we'll get it done. Hopefully it all works out. We can pull this off, put the other one back on. And the other piece is right here. So it's probably gonna be a pain in the butt, but it'll work. Here it comes. I can see it coming right now. Now you got 2 cunt air cracks going on. I don't know, that's why I got my hand there. Yeah, I can see a cunt air crack going on right there. I wish you had some of that spray lubricant. You ought to spray that shit.
I don't see no kind of hairs. Busting them knuckles.
Fuck. See how tight that motherfucker was? Look at that shit in there. Back's still on there. Still stuck in there. See it? It'll come out too. So that's gotta be pulled out of there somehow. That broke off. There you go. Make sure all that shit's out of there. Still got all the other shit back here too.
Oh shit.
No, it's got to come out.
Oh yeah.
Take it behind it. Take it behind it. Hit back this way. No, don't do that. Don't mess that up. Take that, this right here. Put it back there. Smack back into it. Push it through this way. That's why the motherfucker wasn't coming out. There you go. Come back through with that.
How am I gonna hit it?
Don't hit that. Hold up. Let me move this shit out of the way.
Yeah. up in there a couple times.
All right, where's that hammer? Man, could you get a smaller or a bigger hammer? See, if I'd have had that tripod, I could have set it up right here and we'd have seen all that action. I'm breaking that out of there, having to beat it out with a chisel. Piece is broken. Well, you got it? Is it my turn yet? Go down to the bottom, man.
No? You ain't got the bottom one yet?
No, here. No, should have went to the bottom under it when you did that one.
No, I
got more of a. Yeah, you can. No, I mean, drop it down like that, like I'm doing.
Oh.
From underneath, you get more.
At this thing all in my way.
You get more paboomba, whatever you call it. You get more.
More ass?
Yeah, more ass in it. Shit. This is going in like butter. There we go, finally tightening it up. Now where's the little cheater? Alright. Is that one tight over there?
No, that's it.
Go from the bottom, Billy.
I was trying to get a... Oh. I can't go from the bottom.
How far you think it needs to go in there?
I think that's it. You watch that 33, see. It ain't turning. So
Ain't
that's pretty
turning,
fucking
no.
tight.
Yeah, is that? I hope that's where it's supposed to be at.
Better be where it's supposed to be.
You'll know when it starts creaking and cracking. I wish you'd have greased up that freaking thing. I don't know where you put the screw for that. The Allen head screw.
In here.
Don't be blaming that on. Don't be blaming that on me, Billy, if it ain't there.
Hey.
I know you done it.
That's why I always keep my shit like it, so that way I always know where it's at.
And then when you trip hit the box and knock it over.
Well, when somebody I know hits the box and knocks it over.
Somebody named Billy. Hell, that could be the both of us.
Either one.
Been known to do a little bit of that. All right, man. It's rolling back on. Let's keep her going. This is the big ones.
Big ones, yeah. And that socket that's up there.
On top. This one here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So that's how my system works. The sockets and nuts that you take out and whatever I put over in the lid, and then that way I know what I got going back in.
All right.
And with what tool.
Yeah.
Makes sense to me, but you know.
Well, you know, I work at a place where if you make sense, you got to go. You got to be stupid. You make stupid sense, and we'll try it.
I need a C-clamp for
like you break it out to sledgehammer, start beating those stuff.
Hey, it fucking got it, didn't it?
No, the pry bars. I mean, putting the thing behind it.
No, beating it got it enough to where I could get in there with that chisel. Without that, I wouldn't have got that chisel in there. That's what I was saying.
Yeah, you want to throw a couple tightens on that, man? Make sure. Are you trusting what I'm doing?
Tight enough for you, tight enough for me.
I don't care how they are. I'll take them anyway.
Loose as they come.
I don't give a fuck.
And if it ain't loose enough, you just loosen it up a little bit more.
What is wrong with your pads, man?
Maybe if I go put the top in first.
Yeah, put it in first. There you go.
Alright, now I gotta get my C clamp.
Do you?
What do?
I don't know if you do or not. I don't think you do. Yeah, well, you didn't compress the brakes while we were out here, so.
Well, it ain't like if we put in new pads either.
Right.
Now you done knocked my other socket out of that lid, so I don't know where it's at,
I don't know what you're talking about, Billy. Is that the socket? The other one you just had?
No.
Same size right here? No, it's way littler than that. It's right here. That's it, ain't it?
Yeah, feels a little loose, ain't it?
Well, you know.
Good enough?
No, it's not it. That's not it. Try this. Oh, one size bigger than this.
Should be out already.
That's a 12. It's a 13. It's got to be a 13. Yeah, that's it. Alright, got it. Good shit, man. Alright. Now get them all started. Ugh. Which one fits that? This one? No, it's not that one. Oh, which one? That's not it. It's this one. Yep. All right. Let's put them on there, Billy. I got it. Oh, it's brand new, man. Look how it shines. Yeah. It's all shiny and shit.
Threads are brand new too.
I know it. All right, I'm piling it to it.
Ow.
Now is it? You got a something to torque it?
No.
Or you think that's good enough?
I got faith in my impact, Billy.
Okay.